So the next one we are going to look is Telnet. Telnet is it's not Telnet, it's Telnet. Telnet is remote login protocol. That means we can log in into another computer in my computer. Okay, that's fine. And the properties, we can log into remote system and can access terminal. So if that is Linux system, we can log into Telnet, and we can get the terminal. If it's Windows, we get the command prompt. And Telnet runs on the port 23. So you need to access the Telnet service on the computer using this port 23. And the command is very simple: Telnet space the IP address name you want to connect to. And the biggest disadvantage of the Telnet is it sends the packets in plain text format. Attacker can easily sniff those in same RAM. So if there is any attacker in our same network, he can easily sniff these Telnet login packets and can see the data inside that. So inside the packet we send the login credentials and attacker can see those credentials. This is the biggest disadvantage of Telnet, which is plain text protocol. But don't think that in modern days no one is going to use this Telnet. But remember, in my college I have studied from 2016 to 2020. They are using Telnet. They have the old Ubuntu server, it's okay, Red Hat server, and they are using the Telnet for remote logins. And we use this for programming purposes. So you can imagine, even a big organization or a small company or a college, if they are using Telnet, then it's not safe. So just do not neglect any protocol, just learn everything, and also learn some security measures when you are going to implement any protocol.